Hi, I am Anshika Tripathi, founder of Dasta. I have a very influential personality with me today. जिनके बारे में बातें मैं नहीं करूंगी वो खुद बताएंगे अपने बारे में. Sir, please.
Hi Anshika, my name is Manjinder Singh and I'm the founding member of GiveX India.
Very nice, sir. मैंने सुना है आपने इंडियन मार्केट में तहलका मचाया हुआ है. यू आर डूइंग समथिंग वेरी डिफरेंट जिसके बारे में मैंने तो स्पेशली आज तक नहीं सुना है. तो उस चीज के बारे में जानने से पहले मैं आपकी जर्नी जानना चाहूंगी. आप बताओगे कि आपने कैसे स्टार्ट किया, कहाँ से आपके दिमाग में ये चीजें आई और आपने कैसे चीजें शुरू करी. आई वांट टू नो अबाउट दैट.
Okay, um, I'm originally from Punjab, from Amritsar. Then I went to Australia when I was 18 years old. I have done my studies over there. The studies ke baad I have done a lot of businesses, jobs, everything. And then always when you see international market, what they're doing, what India is doing, because one thing you will always
Right.
love India.
Right.
And then whenever it's come to shopping, when I talk to my friends, my family, now it's online world is booming everywhere.
Yeah, I'm तो shopping freak. मुझे पता है. I can relate with you.
Yeah, so that's where like whenever everybody talk about it, India don't have a good website, not have a good app, and when then we done our research on it. फिर हमको पता चला कि seriously there is a big gap in there, because सबसे बड़ा gap तो यही है कि यहाँ पे जो बड़ी cities हैं, they have the infrastructure जहाँ पे आप ऑनलाइन शॉपिंग कर सकते हो, डिलीवरीज आपके घर पे आ सकती हैं, सब कुछ हो सकता है.
Very true. Very true.
But still lot of websites and apps are not coming to the coming to city like a tier 2 tier 3 cities. People are not coming there because they still feel like they don't have an audience over there. So there is a still big gap in the shopping market where people are struggling with the online world. That's where we bring the GiveX India to India,
Very
where
nice.
where you can shop online and even offline as well.
Wow, matlab you are just trying to bridge the gap between normal people and the people who are actually living the lifestyle that others want to opt for.
That's it.
And I think this is a very good initiative that you are taking up with. And मुझे लगता है सच में आपने तो तहलका मचाया हुआ है मार्केट में और आगे बहुत चीजें
Yeah,
होने वाली है.
it's just a start, because at the moment we are understanding how Indian market work. Well, it's going great for us. It's the first month of GiveX, and people are talking about it, calling us, how this thing is works and everything, and we are very excited about it. And in November we are launching app of GiveX as well, where users will have a very easy and friendly experience on our app. Will be life changing for people.
Very nice. I guess your journey has been a tragic one. ऊपर नीचे उतार चढ़ाव. तो मैं आई एम नॉट गोइंग टू टॉक एनीथिंग नेगेटिव टुडे. बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है आपसे बात करके.
Thank you.
सो आई जस्ट वांट टू नो वन ऑफ द फनीएस्ट इंसिडेंट. मतलब आपके थ्रू आउट ये जो जर्नी रहा है, मतलब आप एक दो एक्सपीरियंसेस हमारे व्यूअर्स के साथ शेयर करना चाहोगे?
जब से हमने GiveX इंडिया में लॉन्च किया है, तो
हाँ.
पहले तो सबसे बड़ी है कि मुझे थोड़ी हिंदी पंजाबी में ऊपर नीचे हो जाती है चीज़ें, कि आई एम basically from Punjab and always lived in Amritsar and most of the time I spent in Australia. तो इंग्लिश पंजाबी तो ठीक है, थोड़ा सा हिंदी पंजाबी में हो जाता है. एक तो ये फनी रहता है, जब भी मैं किसी से बात करता हूँ सभी लोगों को लगता है कि थोड़ा पंजाबी हिंदी मिक्स हो रहा है. लेकिन सबसे बड़ी ये बात है कि इंडिया में लोगों के पास टाइम भी है, लेकिन फिर भी वो कहते हैं कि हमारे पास टाइम नहीं है. कुछ भी कह दो, ये करना है वो करना है, उसमें हमेशा भागते रहते हैं. जब भी देखो they are sitting free but they don't have a time. That's always I feel like it's funny, but they're sitting all the time and they say we don't have a time for
मतलब
anything.
they are okay with whatever is going on.
That's it.
No worries about anything. They are like ठीक है, ऐसे चल रहा है, चलने देते हैं.
Yeah,
Very true.
but which is good as well. I run multiple businesses and everything. Life is very fast. You don't have time for anything.
Very true.
That's amazed me in India. People, have that much time. They can, sit around, talk to their friends and family. That's what we miss in abroad.
Yeah, in India, we give, bonds up and we just cater every relationship with
Yeah.
full enthusiasm. And
Yeah.
it's like, it's a very good thing that we can see in India.
100%, 100%. That's what you miss abroad always, because you miss the bonding with people. Over there we are busy most of the time. We don't have much time to spend with even our friends. It's most of the weekends we have a time to go out and sit with them and talk. hear people meet with each other every day. That's amazed me every day.
Exactly, and I find कि things are changing.
Yep.
यहाँ पे भी मैं जो अभी कुछ टाइम से देख रही हूँ, many people seems to be busy with their lifestyle things.
It's getting there.
एग्जैक्टली एग्जैक्टली बट आप जो चीज कर रहे हो मुझे लगता है उस चीज को कोई नहीं छोड़ता. लाइफस्टाइल, फैशन,
Everybody wants.
पेरेंट्स, शॉपिंग.
Everybody want new things.
एग्जैक्टली एंड ये आपने गिविक्स के बारे में बताया, राइट? यू आर द फाउंडर ऑफ गिविक्स. सो आई वांट टू नो व्हाई गिविक्स. व्हाट इज गिविक्स? आई गेस माय व्यूअर्स आल्सो वांट टू नो दिस. व्हाट गिविक्स एक्चुअली इज. आपका क्या विजन है उसके पीछे? आप क्या प्लान कर रहे हो इंडियंस के लिए? व्हाट else would you be doing with
GiveX India is more than shopping. It's for people to experience different benefits on different stages. GiveX is offer you shopping discounts,
Wow.
and on the same time, you will be invited to a community where you can have a business talk with other people. It's like a club. You will be entering into that community where you will get to know different people on live events, like we have done recently one event for our first giveaway. That's where a lot of different community people come together and talk about their life, what they can do for each other. And also it's good for us to getting to know different cultures, different people. You will learn everything from other people.
Very
And
nice.
GiveX will offer people lifestyle. Even with the GiveX, the shopping, we are talking to a lot of offline stores
Wow.
where people never know that they will offer any discounts, but in future they will see they also offer a lot of discounts for.
So you're going to set a benchmark in the market, I guess. मैं तो ऐसी चीजें इंडिया में पहली बार सुन रही हूँ. I don't know if someone is doing it or not, because आपको यहाँ बुलाने का रीजन ही यही था कि I have heard a lot in past few weeks, like आपने शायद कोई इवेंट कराया था, मैंने सुना है, and it has been hyped a lot. And आपने यहाँ लोगों को गाड़ियां बांटी हैं, बाइक्स बांटे हैं. वो what's that? Like that is a hype in the market.
That is the biggest thing for GiveX India.
Wow.
Because whatever giveaway we will offer on our website or app, that will be real giveaways.
Oh wow, very
It's not like we will tell something to people and we will make it, that we're not going to give to people, because that's what we always heard from people. These brands offer giveaways on special occasions, but you never know who got it. But with the GiveX
Yeah,
India,
exactly. क्योंकि मैंने भी एक दो बारी कहीं पे ट्राई किया है. वो आता है कि कुछ इतने चीजें पैसे डाल दो तो ये लकी ड्रॉ, वो लकी ड्रॉ. बट मेरे को तो कभी कुछ मिला नहीं. So that's what I want to ask.
That's where
how genuine it is.
Because that's where we're hitting hard. Because because we want to offer our customers, subscribers, more than shopping. We want them to enjoy the giveaways. Giveaways will be life-changing for them.
Wow.
It's like a small smartphone, bikes, and life-changing for them, like buying a car for a family. And even in future, the planning we have behind it is people will be amazed by it, because we're gonna offer a lot of luxury to our normal people, which they can dream about. But with GiveX India, their dream will come true.
So are you guys going to do all of this? Matlab, very nice.
That we are trying to tell people, build this community. Let's come together. It's like by the people, for the people.
Wow.
We'll do something where like people can come and they feel like their money is where they're spending is worth it, and at the end they're happily getting something back, big time.
Very nice. So a very small question. आपने इस बारी आपका जो हाइप इवेंट है जिसके बारे में हम सब ने सुना है, उसमें आपने क्या क्या चीजें लोगों को दी है? एंड व्हाट आर द रिव्यूज फ्रॉम द पीपल? हाउ मच लव आर यू गाइस गेटिंग? मेरे को तो सुन के बहुत मजा आ रहा है.
It's amazing. After our first giveaway, lots of people talking about it. Even lots of whoever won their prizes over there, their relatives calling them, is it real? Is it real? That's what happened. That's what we heard. But we try our best to be transparent, because in our website and even in our app, there will be system nobody can do anything with it. It will be very, very transparent for our viewers. And for making it transparent for our viewers, we're going to do all the giveaways live on YouTube, Facebook,
Right.
Instagram, where they can see it's nothing like it's real. Whoever will be the winner, even because like it's a new business. My family is supporting me big time. All
Very
my
nice,
family,
very nice.
friends, follow, they are subscriber of GiveX India.
Oh wow.
Yeah, and
अब
they
तो
are
मैं भी करूंगी अब तो मैं भी
even
सब्सक्राइब
after
करूंगी.
first giveaway, a lot of people subscribing it. It's a
Wow.
good response after that because still in India, there is always we have 1% doubt in everything.
Obviously, मैं इसलिए आपसे पूछ रही थी कि क्या लोगों का रिकमेंडेशन है, क्या ओवरव्यू है लोगों का आफ्टर द फर्स्ट इवेंट.
Yeah, but now it was a very successful event for us
Very nice.
because people are talking about it, and when we see the more followers coming on our social media.
And how many subscriptions did you, get through on that particular event? Like how many generations
It
of the
was
subscription?
yeah, on that particular day, there was a lot of people there. We have more than 400 to 500 subscribers on that
Wow,
day.
that's magical. Oh my
Yeah,
God.
that was amazing for us. It is moreover people understand the game now. So what GiveX is all about.
Exactly.
In future, they will love GiveX. I
So
can tell you.
basically it's a tech lead reward platform
That's it.
जो कि बिल्कुल ट्रांसपेरेंट है.
Simple.
तो मतलब मैं भी आने वाले टाइम में कार या घर वर जीत
Yeah,
सकती हूँ.
that's where we want to be. That it's not just about small gifts, car, bike, or something. We want to, people win houses. We want because
वाह,
in India,
मतलब आप लोगों का सपनों का घर,
हाँ, वो देना
सपनों
चाहते
का घर देना चाहते हो.
because still in India, like I said to you in the start, I love India, love Punjab,
Wow, very
and when
nice.
you see a lot of people still in India struggling every day,
Very true. Very true.
and your heart will go out for them.
Majority of them.
Yeah,
Yes.
and then you need to find something where you can help a lot of people, and GiveX India will help a lot of people in future, and we have that vision where in future everybody will be rewarded from GiveX.
Wow.
That's the plan.
मतलब you want GiveX to be initiated in every single home.
100%.
Everyone should have something opted by you guys. Very nice.
100%.
मतलब I am highly impressed by your thought process and it's very nice. So मेरे को एक बात आप बताइए. ये तो आपने थोड़ा मुझे ओवरव्यू दिया कि क्या चीजें चल रही हैं, क्या चीजें आपने की, क्या क्या आपने लास्ट इवेंट पे किया. आप प्लीज हमारे लोगों को ये बताएंगे कि आने वाले टाइम में आपका प्लान क्या है. नेक्स्ट इवेंट आप रख भी रहे हो या नहीं. कैन आई बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट? कैन आर पीपल बी अ पार्ट ऑफ दैट? कैसे क्या कर सकते हो और क्या क्या चीजें आने वाले गिव अवेज में एंड आपके रिवॉर्ड क्लब में आप इंक्लूड करने वाले हो?
Giveaway will happen every month.
वाओ, एवरी मंथ?
Every month
Oh my
because
God.
we want subscriber to enjoy this thing every month.
वाओ.
Giveaway will be like when last giveaway we have given away car, bike, and smartphone. And in these days when I reached to India and recently new iPhone came to the market.
Yeah, 17
17,
series,
yeah.
right? Yeah.
And everybody talking about orange color and all that stuff.
Exactly.
Yeah.
Even I'm keen about that.
See, and that's made us make a decision on that let's give away iPhone. So it's not one, two. We're giving away 3 iPhones.
Oh my
iPhone
God, are you serious?
series.
वाओ. तो कैसे हम लोग कैसे उसका पार्ट बन सकते हैं? हाउ? और मतलब क्या क्या चीज है इन फ्यूचर?
Yeah.
इज इट ऑल अबाउट आईफोन?
Now it's like I said to you in the start, it's gonna be more than small gifts.
वाओ.
In future now, like in November or December, we have holidays. We are planning to give people international holiday tour
Oh my God.
packages. That's
Very
one
nice.
thing. And when I reached to India, I saw a lot of women driving Thar, and every boy loved Thar.
Very true, very true. There is a craze, you know.
It is crazy.
The look,
Thar.
the sporty look that Thar
Yeah.
gives, it's commendable.
Yeah, and I'm very very happy that a lot of women driving the Thar,
Wow, right?
which is make
We
me
have women riders.
Yeah.
They also go for, hiking and all.
Yeah.
So they take their Thar midway, they
Yeah.
park it, they go for hiking. So they have a craze.
Yeah, and also Thar is like I think it's a more of a SUV which you feel safe in there because a lot of Indian cars, like a small cars, and it's a not a very big car, and also it's a small car, it's a medium car, so every girl, every boy
Yeah, so
want to
it's
enjoy.
compact and classy,
Yeah.
obviously.
Yeah, and that Thar we're giving away on New Year's after our holiday. We have 2-3 giveaways planned already, according to our market what they want. So we are giving away holiday tours, and then we are planning to give
Wow.
away Thar and iPhones. That's
And
all.
anything that you are, मतलब ये मेरा question, I don't know what's your plan, because I opt for luxury, मतलब मेरे को थोड़ा शौक है we all are working hard to live that lifestyle or lead that lifestyle. I guess everyone in India also somewhat wish to have that kind of lifestyle. तो आप कुछ luxury segment में add करने का सोच रहे हो?
100%. We have a plan, like I said, India will love GiveX India,
Oh,
because in future, the plan is to every, like Aam Aadmi will have a luxury.
wow,
Simple
very
as that.
nice.
And we have a plan to give away Fortuners, Defenders, even
Wow,
a bigger cars
that's
than
a
that.
big thing.
Yeah,
मतलब,
because
that's a big announcement that
I mean,
you're
that-
making
that-
over the podcast.
that's the plan. And like once we have a strong community behind us,
Wow.
people will see the difference. It's not like we giving this now. It will be every month, and people will see this. And whatever we will advertise on our website or app, they will get it, and it will be transparent for everybody.
Are you sure it's gonna be transparent?
Anybody, any day, can come and ask us, how you're doing this. We can tell them, and if whatever the system we have in there, nobody can cheat it.
Wow, very nice. So you have a tech lead transparent
That's
system
simple.
that's formulated accordingly.
That's it.
Very nice. ये तो ठीक है, मुझे बहुत ज़्यादा इंटरेस्ट आ रहा है. You talked about Fortuner, you talked about luxury, you're going to provide all of it, Thar, iPhone,
Yep.
everything. तो if I want to opt, और अगर हमारे लोग सब्सक्राइब करना चाहते हैं, तो कैसे? मतलब what's the process? Can you please let me know, because this is very interesting. मेरे को सुनकर, आपसे बात कर कर इन चीज़ों के बारे में बड़ा फन आ रहा है,
Yep.
So I guess आप मेरे लोगों को भी बताएं. I want people to know. मुझे लगता है बहुत लोग इसके लिए रेडी होने वाले हैं, तो आप बताओ कैसे करना है. ये
It's
तो
very easy. Just go to our social media platforms. You can find the website link over there.
okay.
Just go there. We have different categories according to people budget. It's
Is
not
it budget friendly? Because आप बात कर रहे हो मिड सेगमेंट वाले लोगों की.
Yep.
लोग जो शायद बहुत अच्छा लाइफस्टाइल भी नहीं अफोर्ड कर
Yep.
पा रहे हैं.
Yep.
तो सब्सक्रिप्शन प्लान क्या उसके अकॉर्डिंग है? आई जस्ट वांट टू नो व्हाट इज द मिनिमम.
you can start with 500.
ओह माय
500
गॉड,
rupees.
जस्ट 500 रुपीस.
That's it.
एंड उस 500 को पे करके मैं घर, कार, फोन.
Anything.
वाओ,
Start from 500. We have 4 different plans.
I'm like shocked. Seriously. 500 rupees.
At the end, it's a shopping experience for you. But at the end,
मतलब चलो मैं आपसे एक नॉर्मल क्वेश्चन करती हूँ. वो अगर मैंने आपसे 500 का सब्सक्रिप्शन ले लिया,
yeah,
मेरे को 500 में क्या क्या चीजें मिल रही हैं?
you will get shopping discount on limited brands,
वाओ,
because that's
nice.
our starting plan.
Okay, you have different plans.
Yeah, and
People can opt accordingly.
yeah, and with 500, you will be entering to that draw, which will be happening.
So
every month.
500 देके I can be a part of the draw as well?
100%.
Wow, very nice.
That's totally transparent.
मतलब I can be the lucky one just by paying
Yeah,
500 rupees.
That's it.
Very
Simple, with the 500, and there is other different plans where you have more opportunities to win the.
As per you pay, I guess.
Yeah, simple as that. Because if you will pay more, you will get more chances to get into draw, and then there is.
I don't want to talk on the numbers, but still, आप more कह रहे हो जिसमें मुझे ज़्यादा options मिलेंगे.
Yep.
तो what is that exceeding up to? Like 500 से लेकर के कहाँ तक के plans है आपके पास?
It's not.
मतलब
It's even like a highest plan is around 2,500 rupees.
are you serious?
100% serious.
तो maximum 2,500 दे के मैं अपने winning probabilities बढ़ा सकती हूँ. आप ये कह रहे हो मुझे?
Totally right.
Please don't tell me it's a joke.
Now you can go to our website, check it any day, anytime.
That's like literally amazing. मतलब
Yeah.
this is something very different.
Yep.
And मैं इसीलिए I initiated. मैंने आपको बोला कि सर ऑस्ट्रेलिया जाने से पहले एक बार हमारे साथ बात करें बैठे, because I was very keen about this.
Yep.
Because my friends were also telling me about all these things. So I was like, yeah, I should talk to you.
Yep.
Every Indian must listen to you. What's your plan?
They-
उनको पता चलना चाहिए कि इंडिया में ऐसा भी कुछ आ गया है.
Bilkul. Because
Because,
Indians always have that, first of all, always have a little doubt in their heads for everything. Until they don't try it, they won't understand what we're doing. I just request everybody, just go to our social media platforms, have a look what we're doing. If you like it, then I'm pretty sure once you see us what we're doing, you will definitely go and subscribe it.
वाओ, वेरी नाइस. मेरा एक और क्वेश्चन आ रहा है इससे माइंड में. अगर मैं आपसे वो जो है सब्सक्रिप्शन लेती हूँ, तो इज इट लाइक जो आप डिस्काउंट्स की बात कर रहे थे ब्रांड्स पे, वो क्या सिर्फ ऑनलाइन मिलेगा मुझे?
No, that's
हाउ इज इट गोइंग?
that's where GiveX will be different than other online shopping websites and apps, we are not just providing online, it will be offline as well. Like, if you have a store in Delhi somewhere in shopping center, Puma or Adidas,
Oh, wow.
we are talking to them as well. By November,
So we can have the subscription, go to the store and opt for the rewards and discount.
it's not just you're talking about the clothes and everything. We're talking about restaurants. We're talking about, like, if you
Oh
want to
my
change
God, such a lot of segments.
if you need to change the tire of your cars, we're talking to those people as well. So you will get discounts everywhere.
वाह, मतलब ये तो बहुत अमेजिंग है। मतलब शॉपिंग के अलावा लाइवलीहुड की भी चीजें आप उसमें इंक्लूड कर रहे हो, जो हम
100%.
अपनी डेली लाइफ में
Yep.
कर रहे होते हैं
Yep.
विद आवर फैमिली फ्रेंड्स और फॉर आवरसेल्व्स।
100%.
एंड व्हाट अबाउट आवर ग्रूमिंग्स एंड ऑल? हैव
That's
यू
what I'm
प्लान्ड
doing for next
समथिंग?
year. All the, like, for especially for women, as a man, we need that as well. But the women, I know, love that segment. We're talking to a lot of big saloons where you
Wow,
can
very
go and
nice.
get good discount.
Very
Your
nice.
money will be worth on GiveX. Whatever you're spending on GiveX, you will get 10 times back in your journal life.
Oh my God, that's literally very amazing. ये तो हमने एक ओवरव्यू दे दिया लोगों को। आप कुछ बात करना चाहते हो लोगों से, कुछ बताना चाहते हो हमारे इंडियंस को? एनी मैसेज फॉर आवर इंडियंस? एनीथिंग फ्रॉम योर ब्रांड साइड और फ्रॉम योर साइड? इट्स नॉट ओनली अबाउट योर ब्रांड जिसके बारे में हम बात करेंगे, क्योंकि आई फाइंड यू लाइक अ विजनरी गाय। तो एनी विजन दैट यू हैव फॉर आवर पीपल, आप कुछ मैसेज देना चाहोगे, या आज पॉडकास्ट से आप कोई अनाउंसमेंट करना चाहते हो हमारे लोगों के? लेट्स मेक इट स्पेशल। मैं चाहती हूँ इट शुड बी स्पेशल फॉर बोथ ऑफ अस, कि आज हमारे पॉडकास्ट के थ्रू अगर कोई आता है तो एनी स्पेशल अनाउंसमेंट फॉर पीपल?
It's more than special. I want to say that I see some things in India which need to be fixed as soon as possible. Especially, as always talk to my friends, where we're lacking in India and where we can help general people, where they're struggling.
Right.
They've always come to me and they talk about hospitals. The government hospitals, they have one X-ray machine, only one machine for everything, and there's 200 people waiting in the lines.
Very true. It's true.
And that's where GiveX will in future. We want GiveX to come to play with every government hospital. We're talking to a lot of government officials as well, where we can come and help them, because it's all about GiveX India will give people, not in just on our subscribers or anything. It will be for general people, where we can come to our community and help them. That's where GiveX India will be bigger part in future.
Very nice. मतलब ऐसा भी thought process है. Very nice.
Because that at the end, when I can tell you, when you go to abroad, after that, when you miss India all the time, when you come back and you see what's going on here, you always wanted to change according to what people doing good over there. That's what you bring over here. I'm not talking about that not every country is 100% right, but I want good things come
मतलब
from abroad.
what
Yeah.
can be added, like better
Yeah.
values,
How
वो
we
आप
can make
हमारे लोगों के लिए
yeah.
add कर सकते हो.
How-
You're trying to cater all those.
Yeah, how we can make our culture better.
Right.
I want our people to stand better on a better place than
Like
we
मैंने
is.
abroad में सुना है कि वहाँ पे, जैसे आप बता रहे थे, यहाँ पे there is a big gap
Yeah.
between normal people and HNIs.
Yep.
So there is a big gap, but मैंने सुना है कि बाहर अगर आप जाते हो तो ये इतना बड़ा gap नहीं है वहाँ पे.
No, because
So this is a major issue, like I guess इंडिया में जो चीजें लोग फेस कर रहे हैं, Indians are facing
Yep.
these complexities.
I personally, I don't know how we can fix this gap quickly, but still, if we can, start doing little bit today,
We can
yeah,
be a part of
yeah,
that. We
we
can
can do better.
initiate things.
yeah, we
right?
can do better than just today. That's it. And in abroad, because there's less people, I would say,
Yeah.
and people make money, spend money, make money, spend money. Even their lifestyle, I don't say they're living very, very happy. India is more happy than abroad, I can tell you.
Wow, very nice. Yeah.
Even people living in
Jolliest ones, I
Yeah.
guess.
people living on a road, they're still happy because they enjoy with their family, whatever they have.
Because ये जो हमारा, मुझे लगता है इंडिया में family oriented जो culture है,
We are rich with the culture.
exactly,
Very rich.
diversity जो है, मतलब this makes us the happiest, jolliest,
Yep.
and at least we collaborate and support each other, I
Yep.
guess,
That's
the way you are doing things for us.
Yeah, that's where I think so. You meet with even my friends. If you meet with other people, they're always ready to help. Whatever happened in India recently, the floods happened in Punjab,
Right.
Yeah, and-
That was a major flood.
major floods, and are all friends. contributing a lot of money, not
Wow,
like a
very nice.
small money. It's a lot of money every month, every week, different platforms that keep on sending money to help people. If not in just Punjab, if anything happen in anywhere in the world, we have friends where we have a group where we always contribute something and send it over there.
ओके सो मिस्टर रौलक, मैं तो यहाँ से जाकर पक्का सब्सक्राइब करने वाली हूँ आपके प्लान्स को।
That's good.
तो मेरे को आप बताओ कि मैं कैसे गिविक्स के प्लान्स को सब्सक्राइब कर सकती हूँ। मेरे को आई एम वेरी कीन टू नो अबाउट दैट बिकॉज आई वांट समथिंग फ्रॉम यू, सम रिवॉर्ड। यू नो हु विल नॉट वांट, आई एम लाइक जस्ट आस्किंग।
I understand. सबसे पहले तो अंशिका कि मैं सबको चाहता हूँ कि जो भी हमारे व्यूअर हैं पहले जाके हमारे सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म चेक करें कि हम कर क्या रहे हैं, क्या हमारा विजन है उसके पीछे, एंड देन इफ यू लाइक अस देन गो एंड सब्सक्राइब। फिर आप हमारी वेबसाइट पे जाएं, किसी भी सोशल मीडिया प्लेटफॉर्म के थ्रू जा सकते हैं, और इट्स वेरी इजी प्रोसेस। इफ यू स्टक एनीवेयर यू कैन चेक विद आवर कस्टमर केयर टीम, दे विल फिक्स यू ओवर देयर। इट्स वेरी इजी प्रोसेस।
ओके सो आई एम गोना डू दैट। तो अभी बहुत ज्यादा सीरियस टॉक्स हो गए हमारे। आई गेस आपने बहुत चीजें बता दी हैं और मुझे लगता है जो भी सुनेगा दे आर श्योरली गोना गेट इंस्पायर्ड बाय दिस, गोना सब्सक्राइब यू। मैं तो कर ही रही हूँ ऑब्वियसली, मैं बार बार इसलिए कह रही हूँ क्योंकि मैं बहुत एक्साइटेड हूँ।
It is a very very unique and excited thing for Indians. I know every Indian love discounts.
हाँ ऑब्वियसली, हमें तो कहीं नहीं मिलता ऐसे रैंडमली हम स्टोर्स पे चले जाते हैं। तो
बिल्कुल एवरी इंडियन कार जीतना चाहता है, गाड़ी बाइक जीतना चाहता है।
स्पेशली मुझे लगता है जिसके पास है चलो दे तो ओके, जिसके पास नहीं है मुझे लगता है उसके तो सपने ही रह जाते हैं।
It's a dream for a lot of people.
लाइक इट्स अ बिग थिंग फॉर देम। वो सोचते हैं कि काश मतलब हमारे पास भी ये चीज हो।
बट गिवएक्स का एक जो वो बिग प्लान है बिहाइंड इट, इवन जिसके पास कुछ भी है उसके लिए भी ऐसी चीजें गिवएक्स पे आएंगी कि वो उनको भी पाना चाहेगा।
Oh God,
It's not
that's something big. Very
100%
nice.
because we want to offer people big homes, because जिसके पास अभी घर है वो हर एक का दिल करता है कि मेरा बड़ा घर हो, इससे बड़ा घर हो, इससे बड़ी गाड़ी हो। ये तो सारी जिंदगी
मार्केट में सारा रिकॉर्ड ब्रेक करने वाले हो, मुझे तो लगता है you are going to rock.
That's the plan, because we want to offer every class in India something. That's where normal people, rich people, ultra rich people,
everyone will have to dive down to GiveX India.
That's it.
Very nice.
They will enjoy it. I can tell you.
Great vision.
Our live events will be, we are planning very, very big things for a lot of people. That's where people can come and enjoy. Network and enjoy the event as well. If you don't want to network, you want to enjoy the atmosphere.
You can just have fun.
Yeah, have fun. Fun will be there. Networking is the extra for everybody.
चलो अब उनका फन तो ठीक है, अब थोड़ा सा लेट्स मेक दिस अ बिट क्रेजी फनी फॉर आवर पीपल। सो मैं एक दो आपसे रैपिड फायर क्वेश्चंस करूंगी। आई होप यू विल आल्सो लव दैट। सो इंडिया शायद आप कभी कभी आते हो, आई गेस मतलब क्योंकि आप यहाँ रहते नहीं हो।
जब भी आते हैं ऑलवेज एक्साइटेड।
ओह वेरी नाइस। सो यस, सो लेट मी रेज द एक्साइटमेंट ऑफ आवर व्यूअर्स एज वेल। सो एक दो क्वेश्चंस करती हूँ आपसे। आप इंडिया आकर सबसे पहले किससे मिलना पसंद करती हो या किससे मिलने जाते हो? दैट्स अ सीक्रेट क्वेश्चन फॉर यू। या
ऑलवेज जब भी इंडिया आता हूँ सबसे पहले मुझे अपने छोटे भाई को मिलना होता है।
ओह वाओ,
लव हिम मोर देन एनीथिंग।
वेरी नाइस।
सो फर्स्ट आई वांट टू सी हिम ऑलवेज, hug him, kiss him, then I feel normal, then I love India after that.
Very nice. And I guess we Indians are very keen about food.
Yeah.
And Punjabis, so they are like very shauqeen about food. Obviously, everyone is. And
food is जो मेरी बहुत बड़ी प्रॉब्लम है। मुझे मीठा बहुत पसंद है।
Wow.
और कहीं भी रहो आप इंडिया से बाहर, कभी भी आपको इंडिया जैसा फूड नहीं मिल सकता।
Exactly, Indian food, like the taste, the culinary, like the diverse, spices, वो जो टेस्ट रहता है मुझे नहीं लगता वो कहीं भी, because बाहर हम जाते हैं तो we don't have varieties of option.
Yep.
Spicy,
my
tasty,
understanding,
मतलब आपके टेस्ट बड्स को इनहांस करने वाला हर टेस्ट है इंडिया में। तो आपका फेवरेट क्या है? आपको क्या खाना पसंद है यहाँ आकर सबसे ज्यादा?
मैं love everything. First of all, जब भी मैं इंडिया आता हूँ सबसे पहले, जब भी मैं दिल्ली रहता हूँ वहाँ पे कालका जी में महक के छोले भटूरे, वो खाने मुझे मोस्टली एवरी डे। इस बार मैं एक मंथ से ज्यादा हो गया मुझे already gained more than 4 kg.
Oh God,
जब भी
very nice.
अमृतसर होते हैं तो वहाँ पे शौक है, वो मेरे स्कूल टाइम से फेवरेट है। उससे अच्छे कुलचे, छोले कुलचे मैंने कभी कहीं नहीं खाए। दुनिया में मैं बहुत दुनिया घूम ली है,
Oh my God,
हर एक जगह
मतलब
जाके
मुझे
ट्राई
लगता है मैं भी ट्राई करने वाली हूँ जल्दी ये सारी
100%।
चीजें।
आप whenever you go to अमृतसर जब भी
For
जाते हो
sure.
आप अशोक के कुलचे खा के आना और
Done,
आके बताना है कि
done.
कैसा लगा।
मेरे को तो सुन के
Yeah,
I'm
you
feeling
can
the
feel.
taste in the taste buds.
Yeah.
No worries. एक लास्ट प्यार से क्वेश्चन आपसे करते हैं। फेवरेट प्लेस टू गो, गुड टू गो प्लेस ऑलवेज, जो आप इंडिया जाके जरूर जाते हो, विजिट करते हो, या हमेशा आपके दिल के करीब रही है कोई जगह? विच प्लेस इज दैट?
वो ऑलवेज गोल्डन टेम्पल रहेगा।
ओह, वेरी नाइस।
कहीं भी हूँ दुनिया में, जब भी इंडिया आना है तो सबसे पहले वही दिल में आता है कि गुरुद्वारे जाना है, वहाँ पे माथा टेकना है। उसके बाद ही आई फील सेटिस्फाइड। जाने से पहले भी माथा टेक लूँ तो सेटिस्फाइड कि चलो हम जा रहे हैं, नहीं तो वो हमेशा दिल में रहेगा क्योंकि वो आई हैव लॉट ऑफ हैप्पी मेमोरीज विद गोल्डन टेम्पल। जब मैं छोटा था तो मोस्टली एवरी सैटरडे वहाँ पे जाते थे,
वेरी नाइस।
तो वहाँ पे एक डिफरेंट ही आपको वाइब आती है, जो यू फील इवन लॉट ऑफ
पॉजिटिव वाइब्रेशंस।
पॉजिटिव वाइब्रेशन एंड यू फील पीसफुली ओवर देयर। जब आप अंदर होते हो,
शांत।
इतनी दुनिया में भी आप अगर शांति फील कर सकते हो तो वही प्लेस है दुनिया में। ऐसा मैंने कभी कहीं प्लेस फील
वेरी
नहीं किया।
नाइस। आई एम गेटिंग गूज़बम्प्स, मतलब आई कैन
वो जगह ही ऐसी है कि जब भी जो भी वहां पे जाता है, आप एवरीडे देखते हो लाखों लोग उधर जाते हैं, कुछ तो होगा ही ना वहां पे जाके
बिल्कुल,
लोग फील करते
ऑब्वियसली,
होंगे।
ऑब्वियसली।
तो वो दरबार साहब हमेशा के लिए।
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस। तो मैं अपने व्यूअर्स को थैंक यू बोलना चाहूंगी। आपने हमारा पॉडकास्ट देखा, लाइक करें, सब्सक्राइब करें। देयर विल बी मोर कंटेंट्स कमिंग इन फ्यूचर, बहुत सारी चीजें हैं। एंड सर, आप भी लोगों को थैंक यू बोले।
या थैंक यू एवरीबॉडी फॉर वाचिंग अस। मेरी तरफ से तो यही है कि वी विल ट्राई आवर बेस्ट टू मेक इंडिया ग्रेट। आप लोग जितना हमें सपोर्ट कर सकते हैं उतना कर सकते हैं। I don't want anybody to go, beyond extra out of his pockets. Just जितना आपको अच्छा लगे आप करें, देखें। जैसे जैसे आपको गिवएक्स इंडिया अच्छा लगे, please give us some love. That's all we need.
Very nice. Thank you so much for coming to Dasta Unfiltered. And
Welcome.
I wish you all the best for your journey.
Thank you so
It's
much.
gonna be great. I am pretty sure about that.
Yep.
And
We are excited as well, like everybody else, and we're enjoying our journey. Thank you so much for having us.
thank you so much.